Hey my loves, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today, because I once promised you, I was like, I'm gonna plug you on how to get brand deals, like, you know, the best way to get brand deals like I did. And this will be like the shortest video I'll try and do. I know I'm not too consistent on here, but we shall try, guys, and I hope this video will be so helpful for everyone. Please, for everyone who's returning, you know what you need to do, just double tap, ensure that you share the video with other people so that they can come watch, and then we can grow my subscribers, because we are currently sitting at 169 subbies. So please, let's do the thing. New people, please subscribe. You can't get this information without subscribing. Like, come on, guys. I mean, you can, but like, come on, guys. Let's just be nice and just do that. Subscribe, comment, and also like. Okay, double tap. But anyways, how do you get with brand deals? Okay, so number one, besties, you need to make sure that your Instagram has at least 10,000 followers. If not 10,000, at least 9.5 or 8,000, because I get it, some brands want numbers talk, and mostly they start from 10,000 followers basically. So if you don't have 10,000, I mean, you can still try your luck, but if you have 10,000 followers, then in that way you know automatically that they're going to accept. Well, not automatically, because they might still reject you, but hopefully with the tips that I give you, then you'll be able to score your brands. Okay, all right. Number two, you must use your ChatGPT mandase. Like, ChatGPT must be your friend. Ask ChatGPT to write down an email for you for whichever brand that you're trying to approach. Tell ChatGPT you like, I am an upcoming influencer looking to partner up with this brand, whether it's White Fox, Shein, whatever you're trying to partner up with. Could you please draft an email for me that I can send in order for them to accept me as one of their influencers? ChatGPT will literally write everything word for word. You just copy, paste. You can even add a little bit of pizzazz, like a little bit of yourself, so that they know that you're like a unique person. Like, you don't want to sound like a chatbot at the end of the day, you know? So just add pizzazz, you know, little sprinkle, and then yabona. That's what you do. Number three, make sure that you have a creator kit. Ne? This you can get from Canva, guys. Canva can be free. I mean, you can get it for free, but if you want more advanced features and stuff like that, you can pay. But Canva is your best bet. Just go Canva, creator kit. You can use other people or other creators' creator kits and just put in your own information, or you can create yourself, like your own from the beginning. I won't lie, my creator kit, I just literally used someone else's template and that was me. So yeah, I'll try and like put up like photos or like images of these things that I'm talking about, so that you have like an idea. I'll also try and put up like an email as well, as to show you what ChatGPT gave me and what I added, the sprinkle, you know, to make it sound like me, authentic. Yabona. But yeah, and then what's the other one? Oh, you need to be posting about the things that you're trying to influence. Like, if you're doing fashion, make sure that your page consists of fashion. Like, you must start with fashion videos or photos, or, you know, like me, the first time I approached like Ego, this other UK brand, they had seen photos I took in Paris where I was wearing denim on denim in the street, and when they came back to me, they were like, oh, we love your Instagram, but specifically we love those photos, so can you recreate something like that? See, so it's not only videos, besties, is also the photos you take, because they might like your style. You might turn into a supermodel like when you do your own photo shoots, so they might like your style. So make sure you're posting about that. If it's fashion, if it's travel, again, post about travel, you know, things like that, because there are travel brands that are always looking to sponsor people, right? And then just thinking about, with some brands, you might find that you find it very difficult to find their emails, right? So I feel like with those ones, just make sure you DM them. sometimes they do get back to you guys, like they literally do. So just DM them and then they'll tell you how to get with their influencer program, basically. But yeah, I think that's the only way you can do it, and it's quite quick, it's quite easy. They do, like, email turnaround for me, it was about less than 5 days. Like, I would email in less than 5 days, I'll hear from the brands, the ones that want to work with me. The ones that don't want to work with me will just be radio silence, and I'll know that, okay, so you don't want me, we shall try again when I'm bigger, you know. But always remember, 10K followers, don't say I didn't tell you. I mean, it's different from when you are doing UGC, where with those ones you can literally have 3,000 followers and you can do that and start getting paid. I don't do UGC. Is it UGC or UCG? Whatever it is, I don't do it. I've never done it. I don't think I'm very good at, like, you know, doing all that. So I feel like I could be if I put myself up to it, but I just never done it. I know there is an app called Social Cat that does a lot of UGC, so maybe try and hop on there and do that. And Tribe as well, an app called Tribe, they're also very good with UGC. So if you have a lower following and you feel like that's something that you want more of, then you can go in that direction. I kind of like the more influencing part of, you know, I'm not just showing just like a tiny brand and not showing myself. I want to be in the frame as well, because I mean, duh. So yeah, but I'll put up all these names up there, and yeah, I feel like that's all of it. If you have any questions, please remember to just comment down below. Don't forget to double tap as well, guys. Let's double tap. Let us get that 169 subscribers to 200 subscribers. Okay, all right. And thank you so much for watching. I hope this is so helpful to you guys as well, because I feel like many people, you want to be an influencer but you don't know where to start. So just knowing that the only thing you need to do is just create an influencer kit, as well as your 10,000 followers, and an email will get you started. You know, you never think of these things, but that's why I'm here to help. So hopefully this is helpful, but do come back for more tips, and do comment down below to just let me know if this is the type of content that you also like. Anyways, cheers.